Hello guys, welcome back to a new video of Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can reset your password on Burger King's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To reset your Burger King account's password, firstly open up your Google search. On the search box at the top type in https://apply.bk.workbrightads.com and make a search. It will take you to the login page of Burger King's account. Click on Forgot Your Password option. Enter your email address associated with your Burger King account and tap on Send Password Request. Open your email and click on Email sent by Burger King. Tap on Reset link sent by Burger King. Create a new password for your Burger King account. Confirm your new password by re-entering it and tap on Update Password. This is how you can reset your Burger King account's password quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.